welcome to Instrucart Holdings, your worldwide instrument partner. We've got a device from Siemens and this is an HMI. As you all know that HMI is a human machine interface. This HMI are basically used in industries and automation industries, process control industries, where you need to put this HMI to program or to control or to get an indication of the instruments which is been running. Now this is very useful for people who wants to do the control over the site itself and doesn't need the PC around every time they need to connect to the PLC. So this could work just like your replica of the PLC when you connect it. Now we have a lot of models available in this HMIs. This starts with a 4-inch TFT model. We also got 7-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch and other options based on the requirement and based on the size of the automation required. For this, this is called at the SIMATIC HMI offered from Siemens, and this is a 4 user interface button. As you can see, at the back we have this 24 volt DC supply to ignite this, a USB input to take the data backup, and a Profinet for TCP IP input basically. Now this is just a node which I am showing. This is not connected to any PLC or any PC. However, to connect to the PC, you need to install this particular software to make this run, and the same communication will be established between this and the input device actually. Please remember that if you're connecting this with the PLC, you must be checking that the PLC and the communication of this PLC and this HMI should be the same and they are able to talk to each other with the right protocol. There are various protocols available based on the device capability. With this, you also get some accessories to fix it over the wall or the surface, and an instruction manual. There are many other HMIs available from Siemens, and you can always reach our expert to know more about this. And to know more about this, you can always reach instrucart.com. Thanks for watching.